All right, let's talk about a strategy that's a serious game changer for digital agencies. We're going to dive into how you can expand your services, boost your revenue, and do it all without the usual headaches that come with growth. We're talking about white label software.
So let me ask you this. Does this feel familiar? You're doing incredible work, your clients are happy, but trying to get to that next level feels like you're just hitting a wall. Yeah, scaling an agency, it's one of the toughest things to get right. And here's exactly why it's so tough. I mean, look at this list. Building new tech in-house, the development costs are just massive. It takes forever to launch, and all the while, your clients are asking for more and more services. You end up stuck on this hamster wheel of one-off projects, and that predictable recurring revenue just feels impossible to build. And that, of course, puts you at risk of losing great clients to a competitor who seems to offer the whole shebang. But what if there was a smarter way to do this? A way to break that cycle for good? Well, there is. And that's where the white label solution comes into play. Let's really get into what this means. You know, the concept is actually incredibly simple, and that's what makes it so powerful. So imagine a software company builds an amazing, ready-to-go product. Let's say it's a marketing automation platform. You then take that platform, you put your logo, your colors, your own branding all over it, and you sell it to your clients as if you built it yourself. The provider handles all the complicated tech stuff in the background, while you get to focus on what you're best at, taking care of your clients. So what does this actually look like day to day? It's really straightforward. First, the provider does all the heavy lifting, the development, the updates, the maintenance. Then your agency signs up for their program. Now for the fun part. You customize it and make it completely yours with your own branding. From there, you just market and sell this new service as part of your packages. And maybe the best part of all, you set the price. You control the billing. You're in charge of your profit margins right from the start. Okay, when you get this right, it's honestly like putting a supercharger on your agency's engine. So let's talk about the real strategic advantages here, because this is where it gets exciting. This is the payoff. Just look at these benefits. Remember all those problems we just talked about? Well, white labeling is the direct solution. Slow time to market? Nope. Now it's instant market entry. Those annoying one-off projects, they get transformed into steady, recurring revenue streams. Scaling becomes, well, almost effortless because the tech provider is handling the load. And maybe most importantly, you're strengthening your brand and giving your clients way fewer reasons to ever go looking somewhere else. And I think this quote just nails it. It perfectly captures the magic here. You're getting all the power and reliability of a top-tier software as a service product, but you also get the total brand control that you absolutely need as an agency. It really is the best of both worlds, and it's built for scaling. And we're not just talking about one or two obscure tools here. The opportunity is huge. I mean, look at these categories. Marketing automation and SEO tools let you give your clients these amazing, high-value dashboards with your name on them. App builders, you can literally add a brand new, high-ticket service without hiring a single developer. Social media, e-commerce, you can finally round out your offerings and become that true one-stop shop for your clients. Okay, so maybe you're getting excited about the idea. But that brings us to what is, without a doubt, the most critical step in this whole process: choosing the right partner. This is a decision you really can't afford to take lightly. And I really want to pause on this for a second, because it's that important. This is so much more than just picking a vendor. The software you choose becomes a direct extension of your brand. If the platform is glitchy or if their support is slow, it doesn't reflect badly on them in your client's eyes, it reflects badly on you. Your reputation is literally on the line. So you have to know what to look for. A real strategic partner offers full, deep rebranding. We're not just talking about slapping your logo on it. We're talking about domain masking, so the URL your client sees is your domain, not the provider's. It makes the whole experience seamless. They give you dedicated support because you're their partner. On the flip side, a risky partner might have support bottlenecks or performance issues that just make you look bad. A great partner grows with you. A risky one gives you integration headaches and a product that just can't keep up. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, because this isn't just a clever tactic for today. This is a fundamental shift in how digital services are going to be delivered. For so many agencies, the future is rebranded. And if you need proof, just look at this number: $60 billion. That's the projected market size by 2027. This is not a small niche trend. It's a massive, booming industry. And getting your agency positioned now means you're going to be riding a very, very big wave. And the tech itself is evolving so fast. We're seeing AI-powered tools that let you offer incredibly smart insights to your clients. There's these huge explosion of specialized platforms for niche industries, think real estate or fitness, giving you a chance to totally dominate a specific market. And these integrated dashboards make it easier than ever to manage everything under your own single, beautiful brand.
So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final thought. At the end of the day, your brand is your single greatest asset. Every single service you offer is a piece of that brand. And while white labeling is an incredibly powerful way to grow, it all comes down to the partnership. So the real question you have to ask yourself is, who are you going to trust to help build your agency's future?